everybody. I thought I would do a quick get ready with me. We rescued some kittens yesterday. They are so young we have to bottle feed them, which we've never done before. Not what I was expecting to do last night or today. We actually have a dinner to go to, so I need to put some sort of look together, not look so tired and so haven't slept all night look. Gonna start off with some lip balm. This is from Cay Skin. This is SPF 30. Gonna start my skin off with SPF 45, again from Cay Skin. So this is an SPF and moisturizer mixed into one. I love this formula because I get SPF of 45 and a moisturizer. I'm getting hydration along with getting SPF protection. I'm gonna add some glow to my skin. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Always the cheeks, down the nose, a little on my chin. Maybe if my skin's all nice and glowy, no one will notice that I haven't had any sleep at all. I'm gonna go with the Haus Labs. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna use eyebrow pencil from Sephora. I started to have trouble seeing really close up about a year ago, and I bought myself one of these magnifier mirrors. They've got these little sticky things, so they'll sit on top of your mirror, or you can just hold it in your hand. I take this everywhere. I travel with it. It's so nice to be able to see really close up and see exactly what you're doing. I always wear bronzer just to put some light into my face. I'm gonna use the Patrick Ta. I'm gonna start with the powder, and I'm gonna carve out some cheekbones. I'm going to take some of the contour as well, just go over top. I look so tired, so I'm really going to focus on doing a nice eye look. I'm going to take my concealer from Dior. This is quick, get me out of the house makeup so we can get to the party. Got this Natahsa Denona palette. I'm going to start with that color on a little shader brush. It's going to build up my shape. That color, give a little more shadow there. I take the shimmery shade, press that into the inner part of my eye. For my eyeliner, I'm just going to grab a little bit of black eyeshadow here from my Soft Glam palette. Stamp that above the eyelashes. Eyelash curler. For mascara, I've got Tom Ford. So for my bottom lashes, I'm going to take a little bit eyeshadow there, and I'm just going to put a little on the outer part of my eye there. Just going to blend that out a little bit. Just makes me look so much more awake. I'm going to take my Benefit Roller Lash Liquid Eyeliner. I'm going to tightline under my eyelashes. I'm going to put a little concealer on. This is from Haus Labs. Cover up some of those dark circles. Before I go on, I want to bake. So I'm going to take my Fenty Powder, just pour a whole bunch here in the lid, and tap in a whole bunch. Just going to carve out my cheekbone. Powder my chin area, powder just around my nose, a little on my T-zone. Blush, I'm going to take the Milani Blush. Just going to pat it out on the back of my hand, dot a little onto the high points of my cheek. So I want something sort of summery for my lips today, so I'm thinking cute pink lip liner, and then I've got some pink lip gloss. Let's see if this is going to work. And the lip gloss is from Fenty. Wipe off my bake. Sticking with the Natahsa Denona palette, does have a highlighter right in the palette. I'm going to take the shader brush, dip it in the highlighter. I'm going to apply it to my upper cheek. I'm going to take a little bit on my finger and then run it down my nose. A little on the tip. So my last step, I want to spray it, so I save it for the whole night. You know what? I haven't tried the new Sephora one yet. This is their 16-hour wear. That is my final look. Now I just have to go find something to wear.